Think you're a space genius? Let's see if you can handle 55 epic questions that will push your knowledge to the limits. You've got 7 seconds to answer each. Ready for the challenge? Let's dive into the cosmos and find out what you're made of. Which spacecraft was Laika, the first living creature sent into space?
Sputnik 2.
In which year was the exoplanet Kepler 452b discovered?
— 2015.
What makes a planet a dwarf planet?
Size and shape.
What is the nucleus of a comet made of? Ice, dust, and organic materials. Who discovered dark matter?
Fritz Zwicky.
In 1921, Albert Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics for which of his following work?
Photoelectric effect.
What is the minimum speed of a meteoroid when it enters Earth's atmosphere?
— 25,000 miles per hour.
Who invented the telescope?
Hans Lippershey.
What are the clouds of interstellar gas and dust that emit light in different colors called?
Emission nebulae.
When did the steady-state theory, an alternative theory to the evolution of the universe, emerge?
— 1948.
What is the smallest planet in the solar system by mass?
Mercury.
In which year did the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster take place?
— 2003.
What two motions do all planets have?
Orbit and spin.
What is a group of old stars closely packed in a symmetrical form called?
Globular cluster.
Which astronomer formulated the modern Big Bang theory?
Georges Lemaitre.
What is the name of the first space tourist?
Dennis Tito.
When did the space age begin?
— 1957.
Which planet's axis is almost parallel to its orbital plane, making it spin nearly on its side?
Uranus.
Which was the first spacecraft to have a hard landing on another celestial object?
Luna 2.
Who was the first to suggest the idea of an artificial satellite?
Sir Isaac Newton.
Who discovered the laws of planetary motion?
Kepler.
Which year is Halley's Comet expected to return to the solar system?
2061.
What is the scientific term used for the twinkling of stars?
Scintillation.
Who developed the theory of auroral phenomena?
Frederick Sturmer.
Chandra X-ray Observatory is named after which astrophysicist?
Subrahmanyan Chandrasekhar.
What is the dark center of a sunspot called?
Umbra.
Which is the name of a radio source that is very far from Earth?
Quasar.
When was Pluto removed from the list of planets? Who won the Nobel Prize for the discovery of dark energy in 2011?
Adam G. Rees.
The atmosphere in Mars is mostly composed of which gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Who discovered the Crab Nebula?
John Bevis.
How many times larger is the radius of the Sun than that of the Earth? What is the visible part of the Sun called?
The photosphere.
When did the International Astronomical Union adopt the dwarf planet category?
2006.
Which of these was discovered in the year 1998 using type Ia supernova?
Dark energy.
In which year did Soviet cosmonaut Valentina Tereshkova become the first woman travel to space?
1963.
Who was the first person to enter outer space twice?
Vladimir Komarov.
Approximately how many miles are there in a light year?
5.9 trillion miles.
Which type of star is the Sun classified?
G2V star.
In total, how many space flights were carried out by Spacelab?
"25 flights.
When was the first extrasolar planet discovered?
1992.
Which type of telescope is used for examining the Moon and other planets of the solar system?
Refracting telescope.
In which galaxy was a black hole discovered in the year 2017?
M87.
Which planets do not have a natural satellite?
Mercury and Venus.
What term describes the alignment of three celestial bodies?
Syzygy.
For how long did the first artificial satellite Sputnik 1 stay in Earth's orbit?
3 months.
What is the outermost region of the Sun's atmosphere called?
Corona.
Who won the 2019 Nobel Prize for Physics for Physical Cosmology?
James Peebles.
Who discovered the phenomenon of Bailey's beads?
Francis Bailey.
Which of these objects is the farthest from the Sun?
(90377) Sedna.
Who was the first female commander of the International Space Station?
Peggy Whitson.
Which part of the Sun can be seen with the naked eye?
Photosphere.
In which year was India's first mission to Mars, Mangalyaan, launched?
(2013).
Which of these comprise the intermediate layers of a neutron star?
Neutrons in superfluid state.
With which US spacecraft did Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin Jr. land on the Moon?
Apollo 11.
So, how did you stack up? Did you conquer the quiz or get lost in space? Drop your score in the comments below and let us know which question stumped you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this challenge with your fellow space enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring the universe.